After nearly a year, the last nearly 100 released parakeets have finally been found, have found all their forever homes. It's a story we've been following for you since last June, when a man released the parakeets near the Moorhead Country Club, later surrendering over 20 more birds and unhatched eggs to a West Fargo bird shelter. Valley News Team's Bailey Hurley brings us the happy ending to a situation that the shelter says they would gladly help out with again.
The sun is shining and the birds are chirping at the Center for Avian Adoption and Rescue in celebration of the last 9 budgies to leave the nest over the weekend.
It is such a relief and a good feeling.
It's been a long 9 months for Willie in the shelter, as she says, on top of the more than 20 birds and unhatched eggs that were surrendered last summer, around 20 more of those released in Moorhead would be caught and brought in by the public to Willie's care, which she says was no small task.
It was very devastating, and I was really concerned on their health as well, like how they were in really bad conditions. So it was not a good situation.
Unfortunately, Willie says along the way many were found dead, and the other unaccounted for birds are now presumed dead, likely either killed by a harsh winter or picked off by a predator.
It sounds really sad, but we were grateful that he did turn in the ones he did turn in, so we had to count our blessings there.
And she's still urging the community to always keep the rescue shelter in mind, saying the door is always open to take in and care for feathery friends, no matter how many or the situation.
I really don't want people to feel helpless. I want them to know that we're here no matter what.
In West Fargo, Bailey Hurley, Valley News Live.
And she says, as for the man who released all of those birds, she says he left the country, leaving no way to pursue charges. Later on